Elements of a citation, print. Print materials include books, popular magazines, and articles from scholarly journals. A complete citation for a print source will point your readers to the exact source you used, including the correct edition number, page number, or format. Common elements of a citation include the author's name, who wrote the work. Usually this is a person or multiple people, but sometimes the author is an organization or institution. Title. What is the exact title of the work? If it appears within a larger work, like an article in a journal or a chapter in a book, what is the title of the larger work? Publication date. When was the work published? Are there multiple editions or revisions? If more than one date is given, use the most recent one in your citation. For both books and journal articles, MLA style requires the author's name, the publication title and/or article title, the publication date, and the format, such as print or web. Books also need the place of publication and the name of the publisher. If more than one place is listed, use the first one in your citation. Articles need volume, issue, and page numbers. If you use a library database to download a book or article originally published in print, you must include the name of the database you used, the medium, the web rather than print, and the date you accessed the material. Elements of a citation, online sources. For websites, the information required for a citation is slightly different, but the goal is the same. You want to pinpoint the exact version that you used in your research. To cite a website in MLA style, include as many as possible of the following: author's name, page or article title, website title, name of the organization or institution that produces or publishes the site, publication date, format, print or web, date you accessed the site. MLA style does not require that you include the website's address, but you should record it for your own reference. Some other styles, including APA, do require that the web address be included in a citation. Do you see some common threads among these citations for different types of material? Regardless of what kind of work you're citing, the goal is to record who wrote the work, who published the work, when it was published, and what it's called. Collecting citation elements. So, where do you start finding the elements of a citation? When you're looking at a book, you can find most or all of these elements at the beginning of the book, on the title page and the copyright page. If you're looking at a journal article, you can usually find information at the top and bottom of the page, and at the beginning or end of the article. But the best time to find and record this information for a book or journal is at the beginning of your research process. When you're searching a database, you can find a complete citation for each search result. Keep all of this information with your notes for later use. Some databases will also generate a citation in your desired format. Also, consider using citation management software to track your sources as you go. Some citation management programs are free, and your school may subscribe to others. Ask your librarian about the best citation manager to use. You may have to look a little harder to find the information necessary to cite a website. Look at the top or bottom of the page to find information about the author, the page and site title, and the organization that owns the site. You won't always find a publication date. If you're having trouble finding information on a website, look for an About Us link. This is usually a good way to find out the owner or creator and get more information about the site.